Now, you and your partner are going to read a book together. You guys can take turns who reads out loud, who reads what, but make sure you're really reading the book and tapping out any words that might be hard for you to read at first. So, the book that you guys are going to be reading is Hot at the Dam. So, as you guys can see, this is a dam, this gray thing that they're sitting on top of. A dam is something that is put in the middle of a river to cut it in half and stop it from like flowing to another side. Okay, so the most important thing is that they are, having fun, relaxing in on top of the dam, and that's this gray thing. All right, and they're in the middle of a river. It's kind of like a dam is like a big wall. Okay, so you are now going to read the story with your partner. Make sure you take turns reading it out loud. And then afterwards, it says, now do a retell with your partner. So you guys are going to work together to talk about what happened in the story using the words first, next, then, and finally. Remember, when we do a retell, we tell what happens in the story in order. So when we start at first, what happens at the beginning of the story? What happens at the start of the story? When we use the word next, we tell what happened after that. When we use then, we talk about what's happening like in the middle of the story. Okay. And when we use the word finally, that's when we start writing about what happened at the end of the story. So work together to write a really good retell, and I look forward to reading your retells when you're done.